My name is Sam Dulmage, and I'm in the Ecological Restoration program here at Trent and Fleming. The program is great for having the best of both worlds when it comes to theoretical and practical knowledge. I found that my time at both Fleming and Trent was very beneficial, having them both mixed together. In the program, I got to participate in a lot of practical experiences in labs and field trips. And then on the Fleming side, it was very interesting to do the practical stuff. Some of the classes, your exams would be outdoors. I chose Trent, and I think that Trent is a great school to study the environment with because of its dedicated professors and staff. A lot of practical labs and experiences that I've had at this school have been outdoors in the environment surrounding the school. My next steps as far as work goes, I'm kind of done with my education right now. The 4 years was lovely, but I'm now working for a consulting firm in Ottawa. It's a very unique school, especially with the Otonabee River rolling through it. It's very nice for events and everything. It's very picturesque.